In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Zoho Sheet. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to give the right people the right level of access, quickly and confidently. Start by opening Zoho Sheet and navigating to the spreadsheet you want to share. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct file and that it's ready for others to view or collaborate on. When you are set, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where all your access settings live. If you see another share option inside this panel to begin adding people, click that to proceed. In the sharing panel, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Add each recipient carefully and double-check spelling to ensure the invitation reaches the right inbox. Next, choose the permission level that best fits how you want others to interact with your spreadsheet. View only is the most restrictive and is great when you want someone to open and read the document without changing anything. View and comment allows recipients to read the content and leave feedback using comments, which is perfect for reviews or approvals without altering your original data. Edit grants full editing access so collaborators can make changes directly in the spreadsheet. Useful for real-time teamwork when you trust the recipients to update content. You can also choose the audience scope before sending. Share with specific users if you only want named individuals to have access. Share with your organization if everyone within your company domain should be able to open it according to the permission you select. Or make it public if you want anyone with the link to access the file. Keep in mind that public access is the broadest option and should be used only when the content is intended for wide distribution. Once you've added recipients, verified the audience scope, and selected the appropriate permission level, click Share to finalize. The people you invited will receive an email or an app notification with a link to the file, and their access will match the permission you assigned. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.